Hi, this is Eleanor with your Virtual Girl Friday, and today I wanted to share with you the Bluebird Skies Makeover Kit for the lifestyle theme at Studio Press on the Genesis framework. And what this cool kit does is add a charming new way to change the look of the lifestyle theme and uses Google Fonts. So let's go take a look at what comes with this. So Chris Ford is the one that dreamed up this kit, and she was thinking about doing a new theme but decided instead to do makeover kits. And what is included in this is 2 header graphics, Google Fonts, 3 backgrounds, leveraging color style options. They use the simple social icons, style sheet add-on, and a tutorial on how to use it. The most important thing that you need to know is that you do have to have the Genesis framework and lifestyle theme so that you can use the makeover kit. The skills that you need, however, are simple. Just copying, pasting snippets of code into both the functions.php and the styles.css files, and being able to use an FTP client or upload images to your server. Okay, so let's first look at the demo and then I'll show you how to do this. This is really cool. So this is a demo of the site already done off of Creativity Included, and I love this really pretty addition here down here. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my dummy site. And I've already installed Genesis, but now we're going to need to go and do an install of Lifestyle. So we're going to upload a Lifestyle and install, and we're going to go ahead and activate it. Okay, so now that you've installed the Genesis and Lifestyle theme, you're going to want to come over here in your dashboard to Tools. Click Import. Click on WordPress and go ahead and install. This is the WordPress importer tool. And activate the plugin and run importer. And then you're going to browse and go into where you have the lifestyle theme unzipped. Go to the lifestyle folder, to the XML folder, and click on the lifestyle file, which is the XML document. Open, upload file, and import. Then you're going to select here your name and import attachments, and then submit. Okay, I know it has all these failed to import, but I don't know just as well as you. But it says all done, have fun. Okay, so now I'm going to visit the site in a new tab, and you will see how I've pulled in content. And this content is basically the content on the demo theme at Studio Press. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to do 2 things. We're going to go in and make sure our theme settings are set up. Okay, we want to choose primary and secondary navigation, however you do your breadcrumbs, and anything else that you do. And then save that. Okay, and then the other thing we're going to do is go into our menus under Appearance. You can name your menus whatever you want, but for this purpose, we're going to put the primary navigation under primary navigation and the secondary navigation under secondary. And before we go out of here, because this will make you cuckoo, I'm going to go into the home, the URL that's there, and I'm going to change it to the dummy site that we're playing on. I'm going to save this menu. I'm going to save this. And then if we go back to the site and hit refresh, now we have the menus. So we've set up our Genesis and our menu navigations. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard and we are going to play in some code. Okay, so go to your editor, and on the right side we're going to select Theme Functions. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can open the theme functions up out of the lifestyle folder and edit it in a notepad and then save it and then FTP it. Or you can do what I did because I was lazy. Go into where you have the file saved for the makeover kit. open the Add to Functions file, copy this code, and then come back over here into the theme functions. And you're going to replace it with this code. You're going to replace this code with it. Okay, and then scroll down and update. So now let's go back into the Genesis theme settings now that we've done that, and we're going to look at the color style and click on the default, and there appears the Bluebird skies. Select that and save your settings here. Now we're going to go into the editor again under appearance. Again, we're going to navigate to that file that we're using, and we're going to grab the Google font replacements, copy that, and how we find the Google font replacements is by the table of contents. Here's import font, so it's the first thing, and so just scroll down and you'll find it. Place just this line. Now before we update it, we're going to go ahead and go back over here into where we have the file unzipped, and we're going to grab the Bluebird add-on styles. Control A, Control C to grab it all. Come back into the style sheet, go all the way down to the bottom here, hit return. So you're going to be right under the lifestyle yellow footer widgets. Paste. Now go ahead and update. So now you've added the style code, the functions code, and the Google fonts. Let's go ahead and just look and see if there's any changes on the site. Go ahead and hit F5 and look at what changes have taken place. It changed it up just a tiny bit, the font. So now let's go back into here. We need to add our background. Okay, so oh wait, oops, I missed a step. So now we're going to go into the FTP. Or you could actually go into your hosting, whichever one you're comfortable with. So I am going to log into my FTP, and then we're going to come on this side. I'm going to look for my public HTML, and then I know I have several websites on here, so I'm going to scroll all the way down to the one that says Your Social Media Girl, WP Content, Themes, Lifestyle. Then I'm going to come over here on this side, find my downloads, find my Studio Press file over here, the MakeOver Kits file, Bluebird Skies. I'm looking for the CI Bluebird file. I'm going to drag it over here to my images, and it's transferring those files. Now just click on your images now, and you will see the CI Bluebird now in your images. Go ahead and minimize that. It's time to come in here over under Appearance and choose our background. So we're going to browse, and we're going to go to the MakeOver Kits again. Bluebird Styles folder. This time we're going to the Art folder. You have 3 different backgrounds to choose from. I'm in a pink mood today, so let's go pink. Upload, save changes. Let's go back to the site and hit F5 again. And you notice 2 things. Our really pretty background, our post formats, and our pretty icons added to the site. So now let's go grab our header. Back again under the dashboard, under Appearance, click on Header. First, this drives me nuts. So I'm going to say display text, no, save changes. And then I'm going to go back over here, click browse, and let's choose a header. Open, upload. There's our new header. And I'm going to save changes. And now we're going to go back to the site and hit F5. Now, kind of given lifestyle facelift with this makeover kit. So now let's go do 2 more things. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's add some widgets so you can see how pretty the footer is. The only thing I don't like is the way that you add the footers. I like to drag and drop my widgets, not the footers, how you add the widgets. I like to drag and drop my widgets over and not have to go into another page and then all that good stuff. But that's just my only pet peeve. So click my blog again, go ahead and hit F5, and look at how pretty the footer is. This is my demo on how to set that up. I hope you have fun using the Bluebird Skies, and it just makes it fun giving lifestyle a makeover. And again, just if you don't have the lifestyle theme and the Genesis framework theme, you can get them by visiting my affiliate link, which I'd like to thank you beforehand for purchasing off of my affiliate link. Thank you.